Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gadget Audit. Cleaning is probably nobody's favorite hobby. It's often just a chore. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? What if you could actually make cleaning easier, faster, and maybe even a little bit fun? Well, in today's video, that's exactly what we're doing. We're counting down the 10 coolest gadgets on Amazon for home cleaning that are absolute game changers. So if you're ready to give your cleaning routine a serious upgrade, stick around. All the links to check out these products for yourself are in the description below and in the first pinned comment, so be sure to check those out. Let's get right into it. Kicking off our list at number 1 is a gadget that truly reimagines floor cleaning, the EVERYBOT 3-spin robot mop. Now, I know what you're thinking, another robot cleaner, but trust me, this one is different. First, its unique triangular design with 3 spinning mop discs means it actually gets into corners and along edges that circular robots simply miss. Instead of just dragging a wet pad around, these discs rotate with direct pressure to scrub away stubborn dirt. What really impressed me was how quiet it operates. At just 43 decibels, it's quieter than most conversations, so you can run it while working from home or watching TV without any disruption. The 120-minute battery life and automatic water supply mean it can handle your entire living space in one go. With simple remote control operation and no complicated app setup, it's perfect for anyone who wants that set-it-and-forget-it cleaning experience. Plus, with its Red Dot and IF Design Awards, it looks as smart as it cleans. Coming in at number 2 is a gadget that solves one of the most dreaded after BBQ tasks, grill cleaning. Meet the Grillbot, the world's first automatic grill cleaning robot. If you love grilling but hate the cleanup, this little device is about to become your best friend. Here's how it works. You just place it on your cooled grill grates, press start, and walk away. 3 motorized brushes go to work spinning simultaneously to scrub away stubborn grease, grime, and charred residue. It's completely hands-free, no more scraping with wire brushes or breathing in ash and debris. The built-in timer and completion alarm let you know when it's finished, and the nylon brushes are tough on gunk but safe for your grill surfaces. For anyone who grills regularly, this isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer that means you'll actually clean your grill properly after every use, leading to better tasting food and a longer lasting grill. It's the perfect gift for the grill master in your life, or just a smart investment for your own backyard enjoyment. At number 3, we're stepping into the future of cleaning with the UVCeed Smart Mobile UVCeed Disinfecting device. This isn't just another gadget, it's like having a portable science lab that uses targeted UVC light to eliminate germs without any chemicals. What makes this truly revolutionary is its patented safety technology. While other UVC devices can be dangerous around people and pets, this UVCeed uses machine vision to actually see if someone enters the area and instantly pauses the disinfecting light. This is a game changer for safety. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Through its smartphone app, you can literally watch the disinfection process in real time, ensuring complete coverage of every surface. Whether you're disinfecting your phone with the MagSafe attachment, cleaning a hotel remote, or making sure your child's toys are germ-free, this device brings laboratory-level cleaning right to your fingertips. For travelers, parents, or anyone who wants true peace of mind in our germ-aware world, the UVCeed offers a scientifically proven, eco-friendly way to disinfect that's both smart and safe. At number 4, we're taking cleaning to new heights. Literally. Meet the KKI AI Window Cleaning Robot, a gadget that completely eliminates the danger and hassle of cleaning those hard-to-reach windows. This isn't just a suction-based cleaner, it's an intelligent system. Using AI, it scans your window frame and automatically chooses the most efficient cleaning path. You can simply press start and let it work, or take manual control through the app for specific spots. What really sets it apart is the upgraded dual water spray technology. These atomized nozzles ensure even coverage without drips, and the suction power automatically adjusts from 2200 to 3200 pascals to stay securely on the glass while tackling everything from light dust to stubborn grime. Whether you're in a high-rise apartment or a multi-story home, this robot means no ladders, no streaks, and no risk. It's a game changer for making window cleaning not just safer, but completely effortless. At number 5, we have a gadget that fixes one of the most annoying parts of sweeping, the final step of getting everything into the dustpan. The AIRTHEREAL T1 is a touchless automatic dustpan that literally sucks up the debris for you. Here's how it works. As you sweep dirt and dust towards it, an infrared sensor detects the motion and automatically turns on the suction. You never have to bend down, hold a button, or struggle to get that last bit of dust off the floor. It features two clever modes: floor mode for hands-free sweeping and a tool mode that lets you use it as a handheld vacuum for corners, windowsills, or other tight spaces. With 20 kPa of suction power and a genuine HEPA F8 filter, it captures 99.7% of particles, making it fantastic for pet hair, allergens, or fine dust. For anyone with mobility issues, or if you're just tired of the awkward dustpan dance, this smart device turns a basic chore into a truly modern cleaning experience. Number 6 on our list is a gadget that banishes elbow grease forever: the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. If you've ever spent ages scrubbing a tub or grout only to end up with a sore back and tired arms, this cordless power scrubber is your new best friend. The magic is in the motorized brush head that spins up to 450 RPM, doing the hard work for you. It comes with 4 specialized brush heads: a flat brush for large surfaces, a corner brush for curves, a small brush for details, and a pointed brush for grout lines, making it incredibly versatile for your entire bathroom and kitchen. But the real game changer is the adjustable extension pole. It extends from 26 to 45 inches, letting you clean shower walls or floor tiles completely standing up. No more kneeling or awkward bending. It's IPX7 waterproof, so you can rinse it right under the tap, and the LED display tells you exactly how much battery you have left. This isn't just a scrubber, it's a complete deep cleaning system that turns the most tedious chores into quick, effortless tasks. At number 7, we're stepping into the future of bathroom luxury and cleanliness with the HOROW Artistic Smart Toilet. This isn't just a toilet, it's a fully automated, spa-like experience that redefines personal hygiene. Imagine this: as you approach, the lid automatically opens for you, and when you're done, it closes on its own. A completely touch-free experience that enhances cleanliness. But the innovation goes much deeper. It features a built-in bidet with adjustable water temperature, pressure, and nozzle position, providing a level of cleanliness that traditional toilet papers simply can't match. For comfort, the seat is gently heated, a feature you'll especially appreciate on colder mornings. It also includes a soft night light for those late-night visits without needing to turn on a bright bathroom light. What's great for older homes or low water pressure areas is the built-in tank and pump, which ensures a powerful, efficient flush every time. This smart toilet combines advanced technology with practical design to turn a daily routine into a premium, hygienic, and surprisingly luxurious experience. Coming in at number 8 is one of the simplest, most clever cleaning gadgets I've ever seen: the Aivwis Microwave Steam Cleaner, also known as Angry Mama. If you dread scrubbing baked-on food splatters from your microwave, this little device is about to become your best friend. Here's how it works. You just fill the bottom with a mixture of vinegar and water, pop the Angry Mama head on top, and microwave her for 5 to 7 minutes. The steam vents through the holes in her head, filling the microwave and softening every single bit of stuck-on grime. When the time's up, you simply open the door and wipe everything away with ease. No harsh chemicals, no scrubbing, and honestly, her furious little face makes the chore a lot more fun. It's a small investment for a perfectly clean microwave with minimal effort. At number 9, we have a gadget that solves a modern problem we all face: keeping our countless screens crystal clear. This is the Screen Cleaner Mist Spray, an all-in-one tool that makes screen cleaning incredibly simple and effective. What makes this so clever is its integrated design. The bottle contains a gentle, alcohol-free and ammonia-free cleaning fluid that's completely safe for even the most delicate screens, from your new smartphone to your laptop or smart TV. And right there in the cap, you have a soft, built-in microfiber cloth. No more searching for a separate cloth or worrying about harsh chemicals damaging your expensive devices. Just a few sprays and a quick wipe leaves a perfect streak-free shine. Plus, it's refillable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice that cuts down on disposable wipes and bottles. It's small enough to throw in a bag or keep in your car, ensuring you can have a spotless view wherever you are. Wrapping up our list at number 10 is the ultimate tool for dusting where cloths and wipes can't reach: the EUKI Compressed High-Speed Air Duster. If you've ever used those disposable canned air dusters, you know they run out fast, can be wasteful, and sometimes even leave residue. This electric duster is the modern, powerful, and eco-friendly solution. It generates a serious blast of air, up to 150,000 RPM, to forcefully eject dust from keyboards, computer vents, camera gear, and other intricate electronics without any physical contact. It has 3 speed settings, so you can go from gently dusting a sensitive lens to blasting pet hair out of the desktop fan. Since it's rechargeable via USB-C, you'll get up to 100 minutes of use on a single charge, making it a one-time purchase that replaces countless disposable cans. It's not just for tech either. Use it to inflate an air mattress, dry a damp surface, or even help start a campfire. Powerful, versatile, and sustainable. It's the final piece in a truly modern cleaning toolkit. And that's our countdown of the 10 coolest gadgets on Amazon for home cleaning. From robot mops to self-cleaning toilets to smart scrubbers and electric dusters, we've seen how technology can truly transform chores into quick, simple, and even satisfying tasks.
If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, all the product links are organized for you in the description below. Which of these gadgets are you most excited about? Did we miss one of your favorite cleaning tools? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Gadget Audit for more reviews that help you live smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.